It's a doubled dough. I'm just gonna punch it down.
If I could first say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, especially my wife Linda. Now getting on to the subject.
So then
It's very intense.
just gonna load
There
it.
was a 30-day ceasefire called for. Mr. Putin
Bear
signed
with
a call
me.
Ukraine on Palm Sunday. He's not making any concessions at all. While Zelensky seems to be making all the concessions. So the bottom line is Putin has to agree to a 30-day ceasefire for any peace talks to go forward. And the land that
If it's gonna come out, yeah, it's coming.
J.D. Vance talked about this, and the president, land that Russia has not even occupied in Ukraine. So he has to operate
Oh, looks like it's ready.
but not peace at any price. Because peace at any price is
I'm gonna divide it into two.
Now, the president suggested last week that the U.S. might impose additional sanctions on Russia if they don't agree to
Loaves of
ceasefire.
bread.
South Carolina Senator Lindsey Graham has at least 70 of his colleagues in the Senate on board with a new
As you
sanctions
can
bill
see,
from the House.
it's nice and springy.
How likely is that legislation to get to the floor?
It doesn't need really to be needed. Just ready to be divided.
Call for peace, but not at any price. And so, Putin does not agree to a 30-day ceasefire.
I'm gonna divide this into two equal.
That's one way to call out Russia. The other, I suppose, we would put pressure on Russia by continuing to
Happy Mother's Day.
Me too, baby.
instrumental
Thank
in
you.
the last round of military aid for Ukraine passed. Was
I'm gonna make.
a new round of military aid to the House.
I think you should start filming me, baby.
Speaker will vote on that legislation.
Well, getting it passed the last time was a major.
The smell of this, my goodness.
Did you think I was there?
Hmm?
Did you think I was there?
No question in my mind.
Oh, yeah.
There is presidential
In your room?
Yeah.
for more weapons to go into Ukraine if Mr. Putin
No, I heard you going.
negotiating to fix it. Again, it's really up to Mr. Putin, who so far has not been negotiating as to how we proceed from here. And we all want this war to end, and we all want peace, but we want a just peace.
President, as we mentioned, is headed to the Middle East. There are reports that he's no longer demanding Saudi recognition of Israel as a condition for a nuclear deal with the United States. Is that a mistake? Or is this nuclear agreement so critical that not acknowledging Ukraine, letting them go, is okay?
We don't have all the details. I know he's there to discuss an economic alliance with the Saudis, with the UAE.
Okay.
And that's
I think that's good. So you're gonna just tuck in, tie,
the more economically we're tied to the Middle East,
tie.
the more we're security tied. And that
I'm gonna pinch in the ends.
region. The ultimate goal here, though, is a normalization agreement with Israel. We were getting close to
Then
that
just tuck them in.
until Iran decided through its proxy, in Gaza and Hamas, to invade on October 7th. So the point is, we need to
It's,
be talking about all of this
Looks like a little bigger than the other one.
normalization until you have a ceasefire in Gaza. And I think that's the more difficult piece here.
There's so many conflicts in the world. I, of course, meant Israel. You acknowledged that in your answer, that the idea of normalization between Saudi Arabia and Israel. A lot of issues around the world. There is one issue, though, back here at home I want to talk to you about, again, because you're a member of the House Homeland Security Committee. Over the weekend, we saw Immigration and Customs
Just
Enforcement
want to
arrest
keep
a man in
nice.
Newark, New Jersey, outside a federal detention center. And they're now
So I'm gonna show you when I'm ready to put them aside for the second rise.
on the scene. I'm just curious,
See in a bit.
To see an invasion and the drug
I'm just gonna brush this with
they bring into my state and in this country. I think
butter.
a very interesting legal argument before the court.
Then let them rise for the second time.
Remind us that the water costs in Jericho is at a historic low, so that'll be part of the legal debate, I suppose. Congressman, they don't know.
This is good.
Well, thank you. We'll try to
Be gentle. Be gentle here.
I understand. That's why I did
When they come out of the oven, they'll be nice and shiny. So I'm gonna cover this and let them rise for the second time. Just cover them loosely.